Welcome to Baba's channel. Welcome to GenAI world, ChatGPT era, GPT era, large language model, vision language model. And I think you are curious about how this model can leverage, how currently that this kind of intelligence can leverage in different way. And might you heard about agentic system? Yeah, agentic AI. So what is agentic AI here? In simple word, in simple way, just I explain how agentic AI system will work. So agentic AI system that can set your goals. Uh, if you want to do something, for example, you want to build a system that can plan your traveling. So, agentic system will interpret, yeah, set your goal, break into the problems in steps. For example, you want to book your travel destination, then it's break it. Okay, it will search first location, then hotels, then date and timing, then it will blah blah, lot of things, lot of tasks. It's part of the planning, so it will break into the steps. Then it will decide which tool has to be used. Might and it will call to API, add data to DB. If need write a script, it will write a script also. It will take help of large language models. It will take help of LLMs here. LLM might assist here about which destination is better, like represent you build. It will suggest you the better place that you want to visit. Based on the suggestion of the LLM, it observe the result. And based on the condition, for example, weather or lot of things there, some flooded, we are locating a travel planning into south and might there are flooded area or something happen, then it's observed and then adjust the strategy also based on your LLM amount. And strategy might be changed based on the decision taken by the LLM. Might be multi-agent also work together, and it will continue looping and until then your task is completed. Okay, let's take in different way. In simpler, what are the core building blocks of the agentic system? So whenever you put your prompt, then it will start creating tasks. That goal is it planning, and then start executing task. Memorize that. Whatever do DB tools, browsers, queries, DB API, LLM calls, lot of things will do that can be done by the tools. LLM also is a tool. It's cast to the GPT models, RAG, lot of things. And it will route, check the quality, evaluate until your task is not done. So how this is all the building blocks, core building blocks of the agentic system. Okay, let's break down this agentic system for understanding it in different parts. So, core open agentic framework also I will talk about, where you can use different agentic frameworks that openly available in the market. One of them, LangChain, LangGraph, LangChain. You hear about that. So it will help strong for RAG, to, like tool calling and RAGs, this kind of all. AutoZane, it's it's good for you have multi-agent orchestrations, parallel agent role, cruel AI, like collaborative working, cementing kernel, AutoGPT, OpenAI also have that agentic system and that provide the Python SDK for the coder also. Okay, so few minute back I told you let's understand it better. We'll take an example. I will take example. For example, your kids want to learn STEM concept. STEM means science, technology, engineering, and mathematics concept. And there, and you want to build agent, then your kids can learn STEM concepts. So this is the AI system. These are the steps that need to be do. So first, like anything you ask, anything your kids ask the questions, first diagnosis. First it will check what is the grade of the kid, student level, what he asking, and then explains the concept step by steps. And then a agentic system based on your kid conversations, it will create the experimentations. Might be it will give you a situations. It will create that. Then it will give the some learning kits also. If your kid not able to solve the problem, then it will give them some physical activity, yeah, some kit, yeah, some videos. It will call the vision language model that it can generate the video for the learning, and then give, and then track the progress, give hint. So all thing can be coordinated by one agentic AI system that can help your kid to learn STEM concepts. So high level architecture, step by step, just by how this agentic AI system will work, especially for if you want to build a STEM tutor, like student asking something, some concept. So what are the agents are available? So this complete architecture, like orchestrations of multi-agent systems, where there are many agents help to super agent for helping to the kid for learn the STEM concepts. One is called as a STEAM agent, like concept agent, assessment agent, experiment in planner agent for video tutorial generations at all, vision agent. Yeah, some vision task also can be given. Then visually agent is are active taking photo something and processing it in, might be some other basic vision model also. And student need motivation also. If some facial expressions also capturing and okay student demotivating, then ask to motivate it. So there are many agents there. So tutor architecture agent, the master agent, and then all agent help to master agent, like tutor orchestrator agent help to student. These agent, like these oral agent helped student to learn STEM concepts. So if you go more deeper, then what tool can be used? Yeah, there are many tools, many APIs, many models. In the bigger way, I can explain for this, like if you want to build a STEM tutor kind of a agentic system, then you can use as an orchestrator, LangGraph and LangChain for generate the models, sorry, videos at all. You can use VL, like serve open source vision language model VLM can be used, and any generative models, any vision model can be used for that, like Qn, Llama, any deep learning models, YOLO, VIT, DB, Fast API, whatever for API building at all. Okay, text a example for more understanding about how agentic flow will work. So your kids playing with a robot and robot is not working. Then how STM tutor will help? Why robot not working? Then it will ask to the LangChain. LangChain is orchestrator. So first it will give a visual input of the robot. That vision agent like take photo, inspect the photos and ask something to the student also to do some activity. What is the problem? This problem is the motor. And then again do some assessment to student also. Okay, you can try it and do some analytics and then understand. Again take a photo. So this is a process and it's looping till the task is not completed. So this how agentic system will work in the world. This is how you can build your own agent very easily. I just explained how a bigger, a broader picture of a agentic AI system. In next video, I will show example, create a tiny agent for your tiny task. Then you can create bigger agentic system also. So thank you so much.